Okay, so hey everyone, welcome back to another stream. Today, once again, we are gonna discuss on how gold has been reacting and cryptos and also other forex pairs. Before starting the stream, let me just post in our Telegram channel that we are live. Yeah, so we are live. Yeah. So right now, I'm looking into our gold chart, and it's just surprising that gold has been rallying very strong. All right. And we are seeing a lot of aggressive buyers in the market, which indicates strong buying pressure. And today we shared very good profits in our premium side too. I guess around 2 to 3 trade setups, and all of them hitting our take profits. Beautiful. And I guess within 9 minutes we'll be having a key fundamental news be releasing, which is Joel's job openings. So we are very curious to know if it's negative or positive. So once again, if US fundamental news is negative, that means gold will rise. It will give us huge pumps in the market, right? So right now we are observing that. And key zones. Okay, let me just mark our key zone, which is the support zone too, right? I can also mark this as a potential demand zone right here. So this is our demand zone. So if price reaches to that point, we'll definitely look for buy, because we'll be seeing aggressive buyers stepping in into the market at this particular point of interest. So that one I'll mark as a crucial zone, right? And also I'm observing this as a support zone. So where prices reacted multiple times in our lower time frame too, right here and also here. So we are seeing buyers stepping in at this support, so which indicates a strong zone for us. And this trade setup I'm just back testing, so you do not enter this trade, cause we'll be having a fundamental news any minutes, right? So the news is gonna decide what will the market do and what will be the direction. I think gold is gonna create all-time highs again, break above our previous high, cause all those trapped sellers are above. So maybe price is gonna reach to the last high possibilities. and also our EMA is indicating a strong buy. And also if I show you our volume profile, it shows that a lot of aggressive buyers are stepping in, right here, as you can see, 3.37k, right? All those blue colors, that indicate strong aggressive buyers stepping in, and that's why we're seeing bullish momentum to the upside. So let's look into Bitcoin, what's crypto is doing. It's going good. And in order to confirm that, yeah, Bitcoin is in a bullish direction, it should break above 112, above this key support, right? Then we can say, yeah, Bitcoin might rise again, but for now we are not sure. Okay, and another 3 minutes. Yesterday we made very good profits too. News releasing in 3 minutes. Stay alert. All right, we are seeing this as a potential resistance, a minor one, yet this might be a strong. It looks like price is also reacting from this resistance too. So we'll patiently wait for the market to tell us. Anyways, 1 minute left for the news to be released. If it's negative, then well and good. Market is gonna boom to the upside. If it's positive, market could give us a bearish leg. 30 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 8, 5 seconds to go, 2 seconds, and it's pending. Okay, looks like the news is negative and it's booming. or maybe it might be a manipulation. Let me just cross check. Okay, news has not been released yet. It's still showing pending though. Okay, the news is negative, so yeah, it's gonna rise and it's booming. So if it gives a candle closure, we might take a trade right here, but at this rate, if you can spot this candle, it's difficult to enter a trade. The news is negative. The forecast was 7.4 and the actual was less than 400, right? 7.181. Okay, I take a small risk right here and take a 1.5, right? Yeah, EMA indicates strong bullish momentum. Let's give it a trade setup in our Telegram group. Where is it? Yep. Risk low. Okay, the market's pumping. Good sign. Now this price is reacting from our support. I think gold is gonna create all-time highs again, definitely, because all those trapped sellers are stuck here, right? So market is gonna hunt those, definitely. So I'm interested to wait and see. Lot of liquidity present below too. Yeah, markets reacting heavily from a key point of areas. Looks like market is trying to fill this fair value gap, right? This imbalance liquidity right here. So after filling it, market might potentially give us a reaction to the upside. And our news is negative. Yup, 7.18. So the bias is clearly bullish fundamentally. So we are taking a trade along that side, right? Just hold on into this trade, wait patiently, cause market is eventually gonna boom to the upside. That's what I was telling you guys. You just need to have patience. Okay, we are seeing sellers coming in slowly, but they're gonna be taken out 100%. And yeah, as you can see, it's reacting well and good. We just need to see if that sustains. Just a strong bullish engulfing candle once again, and yeah, we can clearly say it's gonna give upside momentum. Any moment we can see an upside momentum. Because yeah, the news is negative, so market should give us a rise. Looks like market is going against the news. Shocking. Okay, we book a loss. No worries. It's very shocking to see that, right? SL hit. Let me mention. Strange, to be honest. Market shouldn't have done that. Looks like there are no aggressive buyers in the market, so maybe that's the reason market is doing so. Or maybe market just did us a previous low sweep to take out those early buyers, and again we might see a strong momentum. And fundamentally we are negative, right? The focus was 7.38 and the actual came to be 7.18, so market should give us a rise. And yeah, I guess right now we are seeing that. Okay, maybe our stop loss placement was incorrect, right? We should have waited for a pullback and then a continuation trade. But most of the time I've seen whenever a fundamental news releases, it just continues. So I thought this was a very good one, this zone and this zone. So market broke above that and we took a trade. Okay, no worries. We learn from our mistakes. And yeah, right now I guess we'll be seeing gold creating all-time highs again, a boom. But price first needs to break above this key area, right? The 7.181. Okay, tomorrow again we have ISM service PMI, which is interesting. And again, Friday we'll be having unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls. So market is going to be crazy in non-farm payroll. Either we are gonna see gold boom giving all-time highs, or we can see a big dump in the market. All those sellers stuck above, sellers are stepping in the market exactly from here, and that's why we are seeing a sell off in the market. Market should give us a rise. Looks like the market is going against our fundamental news, even though this specific news was highly impactful. This Joel's job opening. Okay, now we are seeing a good momentum. looks like market reacted from a psychological level, which was 3560. So sellers stepped in at the zone 3560. Interesting. So price after taking our stop loss, giving a sweep, and again a bullish breakthrough. Ah, I guess the mistake was our trade entry. I think we should have waited and entered from our fib level or below demand or support zone, like that. Why I didn't do is that mostly I've seen whenever fundamental news releases, immediately we see a spike, right? So sometimes market doesn't gives a pullback, it just continues. So that's why I gave a trade setup, but no worries. Market is gonna surely take those sellers, they're gonna take them out pretty soon. And the whole New York session, we are gonna we are expecting a bullish momentum. Good momentum. All those people who wanted to sell from this reason, from this zone, actually they are now buying. Yeah, beautiful reaction. Beautiful. Sometimes market be like that after hitting our stop loss. So that's why I advised everyone to risk low percentage of your capital, right? Beautiful. Yeah, market is gonna soon take those highs right here. Let's look into crypto. Crypto hasn't given us a much reaction, especially in Bitcoin and Ethan, Solana, etc. All right, and let's look into other forex pairs if you have any trade. GBP JPY currently is dumping in the market. No trade setups, and NSD JPY too. British pound against US dollar definitely rising cause you are comparing against US dollar. So if US dollar is weak, GBP gives a pump in the market. And yeah, right now US dollar is weak. That's why gold is rising. And even though Euro USD, till now no other trade setups to be found in the market. And right now I don't want to trade here. If gold gives a pullback, I might look for buys at this zone, right? Or even in our 50% level if again price gives a pullback at here. So I would definitely look for buys. If I draw here, yeah, this zone. See the Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is a psychological zone. So it helps us to see where market could possibly react. So the Fibonacci zone is perfectly lining up with our support. So if price reaches to it again, we might see a strong bullish scenario. And right now, again, gold has created all-time highs. Beautiful. Next psychological zone I'm looking into is 3570, right? This zone. And damn, what a pump in the market. So we would definitely not take trades here, right? Tomorrow again we'll be having our fundamental news. Tomorrow it's a very what can I say? Not tomorrow, Friday. It's gonna be a very special one. Cause we'll be having non-farm payrolls, right? Which is interesting. So nothing much interesting going on in forex right now. No trade setups to be found, and crypto is going sideways. So it's a total no for me. Solana, maybe we can find a trade setup. Okay, looks like Ethereum is reacting from our trend line. Maybe we can look for a swing trade in ETH if price breaks above this level, right? If price breaks above this trend line resistance, price breaks above it, retest, and we might look for buys. So as I mentioned previously, right, this demand zone, price came into a demand zone and gave a reaction. I'm also seeing a good support resistance. Okay, so I think gold is gonna continue higher. There are very less chances gold might give us a retracement. So if gold gives a pullback and reaches to this zone, this 50% level, right? A retracement, react from here and a bounce. So we would definitely look for buys, keeping our stop loss below this support and target our previous highs. If that happens, so let's see if market reaches to that zone. So there are very less chance, market will give us a strong bearish momentum. So New York Stock Exchange is open, so we would definitely look for continuation. I don't think market would give us a pullback, but late night New York session possible. Yeah, that's what I was telling you guys. Sometimes market be like that. Okay guys, I think I'll be ending the stream for today cause the session volatility would be low, right? And New York Stock Exchange is gonna be closed any moment. But we'll keep on updating in our Telegram channel. If we see a price reaching here, we'll be posting this trade setup in our premium site. And if you haven't joined, the link is in our description. And yeah, we'll be posting trade setups and keep you guys updated, right? See you guys in our next stream.